This one is for the aunties with the lace fronts that are crooked and don't really face front. It's you. I'm talking about you. War is popping, guys. It's your girl Stacy Theroux coming at you hot, coming at you live, coming at you fresh, coming at you fast. You didn't see that coming. You didn't see it. Bow! You didn't see it coming. I know you didn't. It's okay. I catch people off guard and it's okay. It's alright. Let your guard down around me. Alright? Alright. So for today's video, I'm coming at you guys with another install. The first install that I did was a whole frontal. It was work. And I understand some people ain't got time for all of that. So for the people who are really just on the go and on the move, I got a closure for today. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install a closure. This one right here, it's for my aunties. It's for my aunties. Auntie, I saw you come to church last Sunday. That closure, mamas, the closure. It was the closure for me. The lace was still attached. It was like a veil over your face. It was not cute. I'm gonna teach you how to correct it. So just watch me and we can rectify this. I want to see you next Sunday praising the Lord in your best lace. Okay? Alright, let's go. I'm gonna tell you guys what wig it is or whatever, because I know you guys are gonna ask me. Always want to know what's on my head. So this wig is from Sunber. Sunber. Let me get it out of the bag so you can really see it. So you can really understand it. So you can really grasp the concept, auntie. See the hair net that comes on it? You're not supposed to wear it with it. Just FYI, okay? Why is this net not coming off? No wonder all the aunties were wearing it with the net on. So this is the wig. It is the 4x4 lace closure in the body wave texture. It comes pre-plucked, okay? But we're gonna do a little more because your hairline was looking a bit thick last Sunday. Let's get into this install. Where's my tweezers? So, first things first, this wig is already pre-plucked. So you really don't gotta do this, but I'm gonna do it. Because I like my tins popping, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a popping person. So when I like popcorn, I like Snap Crackle Pop. I like all the tins that pop. So I like my wig to pop as well. So basically what I'm gonna do is just kind of pluck the closure a little bit so that your hairline is not that thick. When your hairline is thick, it looks a bit wiggy. It looks a bit wiggy, and you don't want it to look wiggy. So just take a tweezer, pluck a little bit, comb, look at it from a distance, say, this looks a little bit, that looks better, but not that great. Go again, pluck. Then go, hey, this one, very nice, very good. I'm gonna pluck off camera, but if you guys want to see me plucking in action, let me know. This is how I'm telling you. This is how the aunties at church wear the wigs. They said, dear Lord. Dear Lord. The Lord can't even see you through the lace. This is what I'm using. Got to be glued. What? Spray. So I take the spray and I spray like right on that. Like right on it. It'll go through the hair. It'll go through to the scalp and it will adhere to your head. So that your lace is not flying in the wind with the offering. Alright, let's go. We're gonna do little at a time. Then you take your trusty dusty blow dryer on cool and just dry that down.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Now what you wanna do is take your comb and pass it through the hair. You don't want your hair to kind of like mat together. You want it to be good and flowing and free. Wow. Not me winging it and it works. I feel the vibes contagious. This low-key needs a little more plucking, but if you're worried about my wrist, go worry about something else. Go worry about the bills you haven't paid. Go worry about the body you haven't washed. Hey! So I'm taking a silk head wrap. Not the Versace print. Okay, and then I'm gonna place it right on my hairline so that the lace can melt. Now as that's happening, unclip your hair. You can wear it like this, you can. But this is giving me Susie. This is giving me Jack and Jill. You know the girl from The Grinch with the hair that curls like this? That's what it's giving me. Yes?
Food.
I heard. You wanna say hi?
Okay. Yo, don't judge me.
Say hi!
Hi, what's going on? Hey, how you guys doing?
Alright guys, while this is laying, I'm just going to straighten this. I'm just gonna wait for this to get hot. Yeah, they got pizza downstairs. Should I go get some pizza? Should I go get some pizza? I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some pizza. Wow, 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 wow. I've been really trying. Yeah. To hold back. Look at that bite. For so. I finished. I know you're about to say no Bev. Huh? Never me. Never me. Alright, let's continue. Alright, so what we're gonna do while this is laying down is flat iron this hair. Oh, it straightens nice. Yes! Yes! Oh my goodness, this thing wants to just run away from me. Misbehave.
So your YouTube gonna be funny too?
Hmm?
Is your YouTube gonna be funny too?
You don't watch it, I know you.
10-minute videos? I don't watch those.
He doesn't watch my YouTube.
I don't watch 10-minute videos.
He's my brother and he doesn't watch my videos.
The shit I do for her, you have no idea.
What do you do?
I can count lives.
What do you do?
I can count lives.
Go ahead, tell them.
For goodness sakes, you almost crashed my car several times.
That's not you doing something for me, that's me almost destroying your car. Okay guys, I just finished straightening my hair. Yo, I'm like sweating. It's hot! And it didn't even get as straight as I wanted to because it's body wave, but I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna cut the lace off at this point. You just wanna lift the lace a little bit right up to where the baby hair, where the hairs are. I might not even do baby hairs if this lace properly because I'm not a fan of baby hairs, not really. Like if I do them, I like them very minimalistic. And when I cut with scissors, you kind of just want to cut in a zigzag line. You don't want to cut straight across because that's it's gonna look like a wig. You want to go like move your scissors like this as you're cutting so that it looks a little jagged, so that when you blend inside your skin it's like a jagged line. No one could even see what's happening. But when you do a straight line now, mama, when you do a straight line, it's like less skin. I can see the differentiation and I can see the lace. Mathematics, simple. So let's cut. Some of the lace is still kind of lifted up, so I like to just spray one more time. I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer again. You would know if you watched my last video. You didn't watch it. You didn't. So you're clueless right now. You don't know what's happening. Click that. Go watch it. Educate yourself before you come hither. Anyway, now that that nincompoop is gone. But I'm gonna take a brush, like any flat brush, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna run it down the center of my scalp. And now what I like to do is kind of rub that concealer on the front part of your lace a little bit so that, you know, the lace all matches. I look cute. I'm just gonna say it, like in the last video someone was like, she hypes herself up a lot. If I didn't, who was? Him? Her? Them? Nobody but me. So I did it. And another thing that makes your wig really just makes it hot comb it, and it makes it look better. But I don't like to just hot comb it straight down. I like to hot comb the front part back a little bit and then down. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but I'm gonna show you. I go like this to give it that pulled back look, and then I pull it to the side, and it just gives it like a real, you see that? It just gives it kind of like a realistic, like you just got a perm. Like, I have natural hair, I just got a perm. Don't worry about me, I just got a perm. It's a perm. It ain't a wig, it's a perm. Okay, we're pretty much almost done. The last thing I want to do though, you see, I want to kill everybody in this house with this fire hazard. I'm gonna put on the floor. I didn't make that too thick so it doesn't look unrealistic. However, if you go overboard with your concealer, you can always use a little bit of root spray. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Cover Up in black because that's the color of this wig. But you want to shake that. I take my rat tail comb and I hold it like this and I go from a distance and just kind of period. I be swearing I do not know what I'm doing, but then when I get started to doing what I'm doing, I be doing what needs to be done. Go tell your mother. Go tell her. Tell her what I said. Because I meant every bit. I look good. Look at that, guys. Who's messing with me? Nobody. That's who. Nobody. I ain't even be wearing wigs. I do not wear wigs. But look at me. Wearing the out of a wig. If you come to me and you say, Stacey, didn't you have a bald head last time I saw you? Yes, I put a little bit of coconut oil and it just grew. Growth Remedies with Stacey Theroux. Alright, Auntie, I hope that you really understood how to put the closure on your head. When they see you in church, they will not even know who to meet. They will be like, is this Auntie Beatrice? There's no way. This lady's pimping. This lady's hair is flipping. This lady's hair is tossing. Where did she learn that? Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look good. Oh my god. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy this video, give it a thumbs down. We don't care about that. Make sure you guys comment what you guys want to see from the kid, and the kid will bring it to you live, fresh, new. Like that. Make sure you click the bell down there to get post notifications whenever I post. And subscribe to the kid. Subscribe to the kid for more entertaining content. I like to think I'm entertaining. If I'm not, then sorry. I was sadly mistaken. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh, my pizza. Jesus is Lord. You like it?
Is another one?
Yep, you like it?
It's good.
You like it, Uka?
Oh, yes.
Hey! Hey!